that be about when your mother is out?
Why, we can have lots of good fun, if you wish, with a game that I call Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat! With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things, and I call them thing one and thing two. Oh, so Kay, they will come here to play. They will give you some fun on this wet day.
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not.
I do not like the way that they play. If Mother could see them, what would she say?